We're back with Skid Row. It's been a while since we've done Skid Row.
Yes.
This is Big Guns Live. What year? 1991 at Wembley.
I've never heard this song.
I might have 50 years ago.
No.
I don't know. Here we go. Big Guns Live. Oh. That's it.
Do you think he shaved down there?
I don't know.
I wish he wouldn't.
Oh yeah, we've always talked about his talking voice. It's really good.
But he sounds like an idiot.
Wow.
What am I watching? What's happening? Okay.
He's got a lot of opinions.
Only about Vanilla Ice, apparently. Big ups.
What is he wearing?
Are they talking about boobs? How does he do that? How does he go running around the stage sounding like that?
Some people,
Not out of breath, not nothing.
Some people
How?
are built different.
I think he was just young.
Well, he was, but
Definitely young. You can do anything like that.
well, assuming you have that voice, that's the hard part. Yeah. I don't know what the song's about, but I heard what you heard.
I don't know if I heard that. I'm asking. Like,
Big
everybody
Guns
likes a
put it
nice,
in my
good pair
mouth.
of boobs. Oh, he did? Done.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, I like it so far, but let's keep
You
going.
good?
Yeah, I was gonna say it's a little harder to hear because
It
it's
is.
bad quality, but it's from the 90s.
Yeah, yeah.
Whatever.
Okay, yeah. Fucking cord on the mic. This poor guy's chasing him around with the stand.
Duo solo?
I need to see humping.
And he took his vest off. There's so many people there.
Have you ever heard of boobs referred to as guns? Is that an 80s thing?
It's a Skid Row thing. I feel like that can't be what this is about.
wanted to see Big Guns. All right.
Nice.
Pretty sure that was it.
I want to hear what he says.
Can you feel the energy today, fucking Wembley?
Yeah, can you feel
Feel
it?
the spirit of rock and roll? And can you feel the guys behind his dick rubbing against your leg? Oh man, I love this fucking place.
Oh my god.
It's been a while since we've been here last, but we got some of our best fucking memories here from Great Britain, man. Because, and I ain't fucking lying to you either, you know what I'm saying? I don't say that shit in fucking Oshkosh, Bagosh, Birmingham, Alabama or nothing, man. London truly knows how to rock and roll, and that's no shit.
They had to just add that in there.
Hey, it was funny.
They are absolutely fun to watch. I am not gonna lie.
I could think of maybe two bands that have as much synergy that original, this Skid Row had. Like the original Guns N' Roses, and that's about it actually. Maybe Periphery in a different way, but like they just all mesh together, and all the songs sound so good, and it's like nothing sounds out of place or forced. I don't know. It's amazing. I wish I was able to see them.
Yeah.
But alas, I wasn't even in.
Shut
alive.
up.
I wasn't
Such
even
a
alive.
Baby. Oh.
I mean, yeah. Anyway,
Oh my god.
good song. Tell us what the meaning is, because
I think you know.
I just feel like it can't be that.
It is that.
I-
But I've never heard of Big Guns as like when did it turn into like arms?
I don't know.
Right? Am I stupid?
Well, that's maybe it is. Maybe there's a really buff woman.
Stick 'em up.
I don't know. Let us know. This was off their first album, so a pretty good first album. This 18
Ain't
in
no
Life.
lie. Yep.
I Remember You. Youth Gone Wild.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, Skid Row, The Goats. We have like 30
lot.
30 other reactions.
A
so
lot.
check them all out and keep suggesting what you want from Skid Row next, and we will continue to do them. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.